In the world of bookings, this is an interesting concept that I want to share with you guys. Let's pretend that this is our calendar. This is the amount of manpower that we have, and this is going to illustrate how many events we can take on throughout the year. And we'll pretend that these corn pops, these are new clients, these are small clients. So then we'll go ahead and try to fill up our calendar with a bunch of small clients and do whatever we can to get these bookings going. However, now that we have these larger clients, these corporate clients, these clients that book for 3 hours, 4 hours, and usually want both photo booths for their events, we can see that we no longer have space for them. It overfills the cup. So the concept here, guys, is to hold off on the brand new, smaller clients, reach out to the larger clients first, get them booked first, because these are gonna be repeat corporate clients, the ones that pay good money, and then you guys will still have enough space for the smaller clients and be able to fill up your calendar to the very, very tip top, because the smaller clients are more flexible, and now you can do events during the weekday and the weekends, and this, my friends, is how you stay ballin'.